Okay, so guys, all of you would come on the stage one by one and you will see this box here. Can you see this box, guys? Yes. This transparent box, and you can see something inside it. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
What can you see?
Inside
Some chits, right?
Yes.
And you have to take chits out of this box one by one. You would come, you will take one chit out of it, and you will read whatever is written on that. And whatever is written, you have to speak upon that topic. Okay? So let's do it. This is open now. डब्बा मैंने खोल दिया है. You will come, यहाँ से उठाओगे पर्ची, पढ़ोगे, ऐसे दिखाओगे, और उसके बाद शुरू कर दोगे बोलना. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
और उस चिट्ठी को, चिट्ठी नहीं सॉरी, और उस चिट को, जैसे ये है मान लीजिए, पता नहीं क्या टॉपिक मैंने देखा नहीं, यहाँ से पढ़ेंगे, पढ़ने के बाद उस पर टॉपिक बोलेंगे, हमें दिखाएंगे, जो ऑडियंस बैठे हैं उन्हें दिखाना पड़ेगा क्या टॉपिक है, उसके बाद उसे यहाँ रख देंगे. एंड मेक श्योर व्हेन यू स्पीक ऑन द स्टेज स्पीक लाइक अ लायन. जो भी बोलना है कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलेंगे, बिकॉज वी हैव नथिंग टू लूज. वी हैव
Nothing to lose.
everybody would come on the stage and make sure you have to speak at least for 2 minutes. 2 मिनट से पहले अगर आपने बोलना बंद कर दिया तो you will lose the game. You will lose the game. तो आपको जीतना है. 2 मिनट से ऊपर बोलना है. जैसे ही आपको इसकी आवाज सुनाई दे टिन 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 टिन, आप समझ जाए 2 मिनट हो गए. उसके बाद आप क्लोजिंग देना शुरू कर देंगे. क्या क्लोजिंग? बहुत लेंथी बोलने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल मिस्टर वैभव ऑन द स्टेज. कम ऑन, पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर वैभव. कम ऑन, ऑल ऑफ यू. So come on, Vaibhav. This is the box. You need to take a shit out of this box. Come on, and show that slip to our audience.
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Very good. Very good. Good. Very nice. Today he was talking about beer. Now he's talking about
Yes, sir.
good.
So, my topic is alcohol. Alcohol, everyone says that alcohol is a bad thing. Alcohol causes damage to our liver and all body part got rotten by drinking alcohol. But this is the villain arc of alcohol. Now I am going to tell the good part of alcohol which alcohol provide. So first of all, alcohol provide you instant confidence for performance in any function.
That's true.
After that, the alcohol is even doctor suggest alcohol in limited quantity. After and everyone says that alcohol is harmful, this that, but if you take alcohol in limit, it is good for you. But if you only take alcohol, it is bad. And about alcohol, our Indian industry is a multi-billionaire industry in alcohol. Even corruption is also done by the alcohol industry because they want to generate revenue and increase their business. That's why some policemen come and take bribe to the shopkeeper of the seller of alcohol, the wholesaler of alcohol. And nowadays alcohol has come with a very impurities. Many people died due to alcohol because of impurities. Thank you.
चलो अंकिता के लिए जोरदार क्लैपिंग कर दीजिए. Come on. Okay, come on. Take the chit out of the box. Come on. Read it.
Fast food.
Fast food. And keep this slip in the another box. Good.
Fast food is a very common nowadays. Every people like it because it is very tasty and we used to love it. So we all consume fast food very much. Why we love fast food so much? Because it gives us good things? No. Because it gave us just taste. Nothing else. But what the benefits and what the loss of the fast food, eating fast food? There are many pros and cons of everything. When we eat fast food, we get disease, we get sick, and we get our health very bad. In everywhere, you can see stalls and shops. They sell fast food and lots of things we eat like the pizza, burger, and cold drinks, soft drinks, everything. After that, I will tell you a short thing. That is I eat lots of fast food.
Fast food.
When I was in my school and my college. I get food poisoning and I get admitted for 5 to 7 days. After that, I realized no, fast food is very bad for health, and I started eating healthy and avoid fast food because it's not good for health. It causes lots of damage inside our health, and it also cause our damage in our mind, and it weaks our nerves and
Carry on.
and it weaks our nerves,
Digestion system.
digestion systems, and it you can lost your ability to think good. You will always feel lazy. There are lots of things that affects your body and your mind and your health, everything. So I personally suggested you to avoid fast food. So thank you so much for listening me.
Very nice. Good effort. Good effort. So Ankita kept speaking for 2 minutes continuously. She spoke very well. Very good. Very nice. So let's see who comes now. Mr. Mohit, come on the stage. We are waiting for you.
What's your cheat?
I'll show you. Books.
Books. Very good.
Shall I start?
Yes.
Nowadays, books are very important for us because books provides us lot of information and lots of characters set and so on. Because while reading books, you can enhance your knowledge and enhance your vocabulary and so on. You can read so many books available in markets, just like grammar books and communications books and storytelling and so on. Because in every situation of life, book is mandatory for everyone. Just like when we show some childs, they learn story books and alphabets books because it is the first step to learn anything in his life. That's why after that, when they join another classes, then his books are also improved because when he get sufficient knowledge of that age, then suddenly he change another book for advanced level. That's why book is mandatory for all. And nowadays books is very friendly for all peoples because everyone cheat us, but book provide us only knowledge, not for brave and so on. That's why book is mandatory for all, and books is book is one of the best friend in my life because when I am in trouble and when I am tired, then I open my book and read some stories book and enjoyed that book, and I lost my mind in that book because this book is feel me like I am in another place and I am in that character, and that's why I love book and I love reading books in my life. And one day I will become a good writer because I always wanted to write my own book. That's why I love books and I love reading books. Thanks
Good,
for
very
listening me.
good. Very nice. Good. Next person, come on. Hand over your mic to someone else now. Let's see. Very good. Very good speaking. Let's see what he speaks about. Good. Good. What's the topic? Show us.
Newspaper.
Newspaper. Okay. Good. So, be energetic, speak confidently.
Newspaper is the one of the essential thing in our life because it provides very much information. Newspaper is very cheap as TV. somebody who doesn't have TV, they bought newspaper because it's very cheap. Newspaper provides us many news in through the world. These in the newspaper there are lots of jokes and many other things. By reading newspaper we can learn English and we can relax our mind. Everybody should read newspaper every day. It improves our vocabulary and reading skills as well as our news knowledge. It provides us advertisements and a company give its money for their advertisements, and it gives us daily updates. It available worldwide.
Good, very good. Okay. Come on, give a huge round of clapping to encourage him. Come on.
Trees. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Basically, we are dependent 100% on trees and plants, but plants and trees are not dependent 100% on us. I mean, they are dependent 20% only, in my opinion. And everything we get from the trees, like all the vegetables, all the fruits, all the spices, paper, the furniture which is made up of wooden, everything we get from the trees and plants, or we know that plants and trees are also helpful to make the medicine. For a lot of diseases, the doctor made a lot of medicine for the dangerous diseases like cancer, lung cancer, skin cancer, or the plants and trees are very important. They provide oxygen, which is very, very important to survive our life, and it is not only for required for us, for animals. It is also required for aquatic life. I mean, all the aquatic animals, they live in the water, but they survive their lives because of the oxygen. They just use the dissolved oxygen, which is already dissolved in the water. So with the help of that, they can breathe. So I just want to give you the advice that try to grow more and more plants at your home. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening me.
Good. Very nice.
What's your topic?
College life.
College life. Good.
Hello everyone, today I would like to tell you about college life. College life, when I just listen to my brother and sister, they always say college life is the best life because you get freedom for that, but it is also difficult because you have to study most topics and all of that. So they always tell me that when you complete your schooling times and when you just go in college, you get new friends and you get new environment to just for studies, and college life is when we go on college, we get freedom, and we know. And when we go college, we know most of the places. And so one day, I just in my school, my teacher, we are just making noise. So my teacher is saying, so he was telling about college life. So his college life. So he was telling us that when we are in the college, so our professor, we are doing when they are came, and the professor is very strict. They always give us some very tough works, and we don't enjoy our college life. We don't see our freedom from that. Always we go on the canteen, just eat food and just came on the class, and and that's it. They all say if you want some good college, you have to study hard for that. So that's why it's like a fear that if I want some good college, so I will work hard for that. So it's two types of thinking that my brother and my sister told me, and then my teacher told me that. So thank you.
Right.